We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2020 Harley-Davidson Ultra Limited, and this one is in scorched orange and silver flux. Extremely clean, very well taken care of bike. Starting at the front, we've got dual disc braking, and this bike is also equipped with ABS. We have highway pegs so you can stretch out a little bit while cruising down the road, and an interesting little skull cover for our horn. We have a rider and passenger floorboards, a backrest for the rider, and really comfortable seat for the passenger with those built-in speakers. We have locking saddlebags on both sides, and the Tour Pack top case locks as well, and it has that additional luggage rack. Engine guards on the rear. And of course, it's equipped with the 114 cubic inch engine. We are keyless, we work off of a fob. And miles are 12,792. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week. Come check it out.